it's Gina with WTI. When I step outside at night, I am so delighted to see these lotus flower lights from AIINY. They are so beautiful and they don't require being recharged by any kind of plug-in. They are solar powered. These are made with a pliable metal material, and so when you first get them, they're going to be kind of scrunched up, and you can very gently press the petals down to get a fuller look. The crackled glass globe in the center is so pretty, and I love the different patterns that it casts from the light onto the petals and then whatever is around it. As soon as it's dark enough, they will automatically turn on. I love that. I don't have to come outside and turn them on. It also has two different options that you can choose from for color. So if you just want the plain bright light, you can choose that. Or you can choose to have alternating colors. These are super bright and vibrant, and they just cycle through the different colors. I got the pink ones, and I would say these are like a light pinky orange color. I think it's just beautiful. I am so pleased with these. They're beautiful, they're functional, and they stay bright and lit up for hours after a full charge. I think you'll love them too, and that's my point of view.